Some breaking news coming in at this hour, where in yet another move to provoke India, Pakistan there are reports that are coming in that the special DG BSF UK Bansal has confirmed to Times now that Pakistan has increased the activity of building bunkers along the border. Remember, a few years ago, Times Now was the first channel to report on this story that Pakistan has increased the activity of building bunkers along the border, and this news has been confirmed once again by the DG BSF, Mr. UK Bansal, to Times Now, saying that ahead of the Indo-Pak talks, here's another provocative move by Pakistan. There are reports that now suggest that Pakistan has increased the activity of building the bunkers along the Indo-Pak border. In fact, the special DG has told Times Now that following the 26/11, the construction of bunkers along the border has increased between India and Pakistan. Now, remember, Pradeep had reported on this story first on Times Now, and he's with us on the phone line with additional details. Pradeep, we understand you had the opportunity to speak with the DG BSF UK Bansal, who's confirmed of heightened activity along the border.
Yes, he said that after the 26/11, there has been increase in the activity on the other side of the bunker, on the other side of the border. Especially, they look at the construction of the defense structures like bunkers, which include the concrete bunkers, observation posts, and also the embankment area. This clearly indicates that these structures, the Pakistan is using the ceasefire and also the peace on the border for the construction of the defense installation, and that's really a matter of concern for the Indian side. But he said that we are aware of this thing and we are prepared to counter everything, because as we have already reported earlier also that many of the bunkers that have come along the international border, some of them were just 10 meters away from the fence. And so it's a matter of concern, because if they are using this period when after 26/11 the India was expecting that at least Pakistan will do something and launch a war against terror. But it shows a kind of a duplicity on the Pakistani side, because on one hand this is a kind of a selective war on terror. On one hand they are launching a war on terror in the Western Front, while as it comes to the Eastern Front they are not only facilitating infiltration, and they're also constructing these different structures, because this different structure in the past also we have seen had been used to violate the ceasefire and also to make the militants sit there, and being used for the launch pads to facilitate the infiltration of the militant from that side to the Indian side.
Now, Pradeep, you were the first one to report on this story. What is the action that was taken when you had first reported that Pakistan is making use of the ceasefire agreement between the two countries and has started building bunkers alongside the border? When it was first reported, what was the response from our side? What was the action that was taken then?
See, immediately the Times Now had reported about this, at around about 160 bunkers, several observation posts, and an embankment area that has come along the international border in the Jammu region and also along the line of control. And that time what had happened, that the BSF had sent a report to the Home Ministry and asked for the report. After getting the report, they had lodged a protest with the Pakistani authorities. From time to time, they had been taking up the matter with the Pakistani authorities, and today also when we spoke to UK Bansal, Special DG BSF, he said that they have taken up the matter with the Pakistani authorities, but what we have seen is that every time the matter is being taken up with the Pakistani authorities, but hardly anything happens on ground, because the only option some of the defense strategists feel is that they should have destroyed the bunker the very moment it was constructed along the international border. But many others feel that if that thing would have happened, that would have led to the war between the two countries. But right now, the situation appears that more bunkers are coming up, and it is really a matter of concern, because we have seen in the past also, from time to time, Pakistan has been violating the ceasefire, and they had been trying to facilitate the infiltration from across the border. Already more than 50 launch pads are operating on the other side, and several training camps are there. Just 2 days back, there had been 2 Lashkar militants who were apprehended from the Shamsabari area in Kupwara. They also disclosed about their sinister designs of that about 50 militants are being trained to target the Baglia Dam. And also they are constructing a tunnel from across the Sialkot to, that's a new modus operandi to infiltrate militants. If this embankment is coming over the other side, that clearly indicates that behind the embankment there is every possibility, as disclosed by the Lashkar militants, that they are ahead of the Pakistani Ranger Force. They must be constructing a tunnel, and they are not quite sure about. We asked about this tunnel also to the DGP. He said that he has came to know about this report from the media and also the interrogation report which you have got. They are taking all sorts. They are on board and taking all sorts of measures to counter this thing.
देखिए, इसकी गिनती तो संभव नहीं है, मगर पिछले 6 माहों से ये स्ट्रक्चर्स बनाने की गतिविधि में तेजी आई है। जब से ये बॉम्बे का 26/11 हुआ था, उसके बाद से ही ये गतिविधियां ज़्यादा देखी गई और ये निरंतर चल रही हैं और ये हम लोगों के, सेना के और शासन के सभी की दृष्टि में है